Hello, and welcome to my blog, Zero Waste Balance. It is a blog exploring the zero waste lifestyle, finding some balance in it in the world of wellness for the planet and wellness for yourself. I wanted to highlight some local businesses that exist in this space and do some interviews and those kind of things. So far, I can show you my blog feed. So far I have done one on Cowbell Brewery. So there's a lovely picture of me at Cowbell Brewery. It kind of goes through a few things there, has some links. The other one I did was for Eco Cafe in St. Jacobs. So there is another lovely picture of me and the owner of Eco Cafe and some information about that. I also did sort of an introductory post. I have my About Me page, which is another lovely picture of me. So please feel free to follow my post, follow my blog. I have a few followers already, but always looking for more, and looking forward to seeing everybody in the online world.